Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Olive oil sprayer. Looking for a smarter way to use oil in your kitchen? Meet the TrendPlane 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer, your new 2-in-1 kitchen essential. This sleek and durable sprayer lets you easily control how much oil you use, whether you're cooking in the air fryer, grilling barbecue, or dressing up a salad. Made from premium glass with a modern black finish, it's stylish, eco-friendly, and built to last. The fine mist design gives you perfect coverage every time, no more mess or waste. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or even soy sauce, this TrendPlane sprayer brings precision and flavor to every meal. Upgrade your cooking today with the TrendPlane 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Dish cleaning brush. Keep your dishes sparkling clean with the dish cleaning brush. Designed with durable bristles, this brush easily removes grease, stains, and stuck-on food without scratching your plates, pans, or cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making dishwashing faster and more efficient. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, this versatile brush is also ideal for cleaning sinks. Cutting board. Elevate your kitchen prep with the titanium cutting board, a durable, double-sided cutting board made from pure titanium and wheat straw pages. This food-grade board is safe, non-toxic, and perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing all kinds of ingredients. Its large 16-inch by 11-inch size gives you plenty of workspace, while the double-sided design helps keep your kitchen organized and hygienic. Easy to clean and built to last, this cutting board combines strength, style, and practicality in one sleek package. Whether you're prepping vegetables, meat, or baked goods, the titanium cutting board is a must-have kitchen essential for every home chef. Air fryer egg molds. Start your mornings right with the 4PCS air fryer egg molds, your new go-to for quick, fun, and healthy cooking. Made from high-quality non-stick silicone, these molds are perfect for eggs, muffins, toast cups, or mini pancakes. They're reusable, heat-resistant, and super easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Each mold comes with a lid to prevent spills and keep your air fryer spotless. Whether you're meal prepping or making breakfast on the go, these air fryer accessories make cooking fast, neat, and delicious. Upgrade your kitchen with these colorful, must-have silicone egg molds today. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note, packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Digital kitchen scale. Contemporary slim design. Made of stainless steel material, it is easy to use and clean, provides accurate weight data with a user-friendly control panel and system, with high-precision sensors to ensure correct performance and readouts. Multiple unit conversion setting. You can easily switch to any unit that you need. It can show units in the following: G/kg/lb/us/ml/milk ml. Yes. It includes milk volume measurement. Low energy consumption with included battery. This unit comes with an button battery and doesn't consume too much power. Plus it has an auto shut-off feature. Backlit display. Easy to see and read panel. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easy to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. After-sales support and trusted customer support team assist you with any questions that might arise about your kitchen scale. We take pride in our work and want you to have a great experience from beginning to end. Dish drying rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Cooking utensils set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can use in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. High temperature withstand. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand high temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit per 230 degrees Celsius. All-around silicone added to the softness. No longer worry food will stick your cookware. Silicone head protect your pans. Keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented. Extend the life of all your kitchen pans. They are scratch-resistant, unlike plastic and rubber utensils that will easily melt, or metal kitchen utensils harm your non-stick pots. Air fry. Air crisp technology. 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air surrounds food for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Large capacity. The 5QD non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. 4-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Guilt-free fried foods. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Frozen TO crispy. Cook frozen foods in just minutes for an extra crispy finish. Space saver. Ninja's latest air fryer design allows you to save even more space on your countertop without compromising capacity. Easy TO clean. The basket and crisper plate are both non-stick for easy cleaning. What's included? Air fryer, 5QD non-stick basket and crisper plate, chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts. Cooktop and stovetop cleaner kit. Keep your kitchen shining with the cooktop and stovetop cleaner kit. Specially designed to remove grease, burnt-on food, and stains, this kit ensures your glass, ceramic, or stainless steel surfaces stay spotless. The non-scratch formula is tough on grime but gentle on your cooktop, leaving a streak-free shine. Complete with cleaning pads and a scraper, it makes deep cleaning fast and easy. Perfect for daily maintenance or heavy-duty cleaning, this kit is a must-have for every modern kitchen. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions. Approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches. LXWXH. Digital meat thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low light conditions. Motion sensing sleep-wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. IP65 waterproof convenient storage. Quickly clean the meat thermometers for grilling with probe under running water. Features a magnetic back to allow for placement on any metal surface or use the hang hole for hooks. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant read meat thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Dustpan. Extendable pole design. The optional extension pole makes the broom length from 38.18 to 50.39 inches. People can choose the appropriate length according to their height. And long handle allow you to stand upright for comfortable sweeping. No more bending. Heavy-duty broom bristles. Upgraded 4-row bristles design, high-quality broom bristle construction, more dense and durable. Product is made from 20% recycled materials. Packaging is 100% biodegradable. Kellam insists on working hard to protect the environment. Easy stand-up storage. The clip-on feature makes the broom and dustpan upright a perfect space safer. Compact storage keep your home or workspace clean and tidy. Works perfectly for multi-surface, suitable for indoor use. Self-cleaning dustpan. Teeth built-in scraper and comb/teeth for easy-to-clean broom into dustpan. Coffee maker. Fresh, authentic coffee taste. Featuring a 4-level filtration system, complete with a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and final mesh screen. It effectively filters out coffee grounds while extracting the aromatic oils and subtle flavors. This preserves the natural oils and flavors of the coffee, allowing you to enjoy a rich, pure taste free from sediment and grit. Stainless steel stylish design. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel, this coffee press combines strength and elegance. The sturdy construction and robust metal handle ensure lasting durability, while its transparent body allows you to watch your coffee brew, adding a touch of sophistication to your morning routine and complementing any kitchen decor. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.